Hi everybody, it's Tracy at TierraCast. It's April and we're thinking of Earth Day and nature-themed jewelry designs, so we've put together a quick new project video for you showing you how to make these versatile little cotton cord bracelets using some of our sea life charms. To make these, we'll need some 1mm cotton cord, or any 1mm cord. You just need to be sure that 2 strands of it will fit into one of our 2mm cord ends. And for this project we're using 2 of our 2mm Pagoda cord ends. We'll also need one 7mm Nugget 3-hole bar, 2 5mm Nugget large hole spacers, 1 charm, 1 12x7mm lobster clasp, and 3 20-gauge 4mm jump rings. For tools and materials, we'll need some super glue with a small applicator tip, some scissors, a ruler, and 2 pair of chain, flat nose, or bent nose pliers. You may also want to have some tissues or cotton balls and fingernail polish remover on hand because you might get glue on your fingers. To start with, we'll cut 2 pieces of cord in the desired length. I'm going with 6.5-inch strands, which means that my finished bracelet will be about 7 inches. Next, I'll trim one end of one of the cords at a sharp angle and put just a tiny drop of glue at the end and roll that between my fingers. That stiffens the ends of the cord and keeps it from fraying, which will make it much easier to work with when we glue them into the cord ends. I've already prepared the rest of the ends, so next I'll fold one of the cords in half and thread the ends through the end hole of the 3-hole bar and form a lark's head knot. And repeat that on the other side. I want to make sure I thread the cords from the same direction so that my lark head knots face the same direction. And I also want to check and make sure that the ends of my cords are even. Now I'll string a 5mm nugget bead onto the cords on one side of the bracelet and slide those up to the knot, and I'll put a small drop of glue on the back side to secure that in place. And I'll repeat that on the other side. Now it's time for the cord ends. Apply a small drop of glue into the opening of one of the cord ends, and then insert the cord on one side of the bracelet. Now an alternative to gluing here is to crimp these cord ends with large crimping pliers. These ones are Beadalon's Mighty Crimpers. They're just the right size, and all you need to do is fit the rear notch of the cord ends fit the rear notch of the crimping pliers onto the cord end and squeeze it firmly. And then check to make sure that's secure. The last thing we need to do is to use the jump rings to attach the lobster clasp and the charm. I'll attach one jump ring and the lobster clasp on one side. And a jump ring on the other side. And the last jump ring to attach the charm to the center hole of the 3-hole bar. These bracelets are simple and cute, and with all the different cords and charms available, you can make tons of variations. I made an earth-themed group, and I used charms from some of our TierraCast charm mixes to create a floral group and a bug group. And these sea-themed ones are actually available as our Triton's Treasures quick kit and downloadable project sheet. So again, they're super fun with super potential. Thanks for watching, and we hope you have fun with this idea.